What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Urban Monkey. This week we're still in Scotland. We're out paddleboarding on the lake. We've not moved because the weather is absolutely stunning. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Look at this, guys, what a spot. Hey, what a spot. Check this out. What's happening, guys? So, me and Luli's had a very lazy one today. We felt a bit hungover, tired, but we made most of this sunshine. It's just been absolutely glorious here on the lake. On the loch, should I say. We've been using his paddleboards as a sun lounger. I've had a few beers, just chilled out. Yeah, and just relaxed, just without caring the world, loving the van life. Do you know what I mean? Epic. Everybody's in the paddleboards and playing in the water. The beach is absolutely heaving. It's still roasting now, and it's just gone 4 o'clock. So me and Luann are just going to get kitted up now and go for a bit of a paddle. The wind has dropped off completely, so it's absolutely glassed off. Yeah, boy, see you on the water. Just going back to the van. Nearly fell down my little path then. Back to the van, swim shorts on. Buoyancy aid on, let's go. So we found this little offshoot. It's hard to describe really. A little offshoot section from the loch. Very shallow though, so we're taking his time. This is the skeg fin on the back. We don't want to damage that, but we'll see how far we can get down here. So guys, we've come all the way off the loch. Find this little offshoot. We're not sure how far it goes. We're out exploring. Yeah, boy. Going under the bridge, guys. Oh, I'm stuck. So we got up to the bridge, decided to turn around after the bridge got so shallow. Might have got deeper if we'd had to walk up quite a way. So we decided to come back, and then we'll head off back round to where his base camp is, and probably look at getting a shower and his food on. We've got some really nice chicken kebabs, and we're gonna have some salad and wraps with them. Chill out, get the van all sorted. A lot of it packed up because tomorrow we start the long drag back home. Boo. It's always the worst bit, as we always say, packing up and go home. But you got to go home to come again. Hey guys, what a trip. We didn't do that much travelling around, as you've seen from the vlogs, because we've just stayed here because of the weather and it was so nice, so we've made the most of it here. So let's have a punch off back. See Luli? There she is. What do you think, Luli? Go back to where we started, have a shower, de-kit. Yep. Kebabs on. Oh yeah, I'm getting hungry. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. Brent is always hungry. And if I'm not, I just like cooking anyway. As you know. What's happening, guys? So we've been paddleboarding. Me and Luann's just had a shower at the side of the van. I'm all nice and refreshed. Look at the state of my nose, eh? That's what you get for having too much rum. And stumbled across. I didn't fall over, but like stumbled across into a low-level branch and all them lot were like, "What's up with your nose? You're bleeding." I was like, "Oh, never mind." I'm blaming Danny's rum. So we're all nice and refreshed. Luli's sat down at the lock. We're still set up down here. Midge is starting to come out a little bit though.
Yeah, but they go when the kayak goes on a bit, don't they?
Yeah, hopefully. So we've got some more of the tortilla pockets. Got some nice large chicken kebabs, and then we've got some chicken mince. It needs cooking off though, doesn't it, anyway? So we're going to get that cooked off, and probably, possibly, I think, do a bit of a curry with it.
I want that curry.
Yeah?
That's what I fancy. I really fancy curry.
Lulu sat reading them.
She was telling me she was having curry and it's just always in my head now.
Oh, it's got in your head.
Yeah.
So the beach is quietening off now. Still quite a few on there though, but it's not like it was earlier. So let's get the kayak on, get some smoke coming off this kayak to get rid of these midges, get some smells going. I'm starving. Yeah, boy! So guys, my chicken mince is on. So I've seasoned that with some salt and pepper, chili flakes, and put the peppers in. Just going to cook that through. Look at that, look where we're cooking, guys. Just look at where we're cooking. And then I'm going to put the curry sauce in, let that cook through, take that off, put that in the other pan, put my large kebabs on and cook them through.
And wait for what, your extra guests?
I know, got epic amount of food again. We've got epic amount of food again, but our ice blocks, it needs eating. So we're just going to have a massive cook-off basically. And a feast, Urban Monkey style. Some nice smells coming from here, guys. So I've just transferred it into this one, cook that through, take that off, and then cook these little massive bad boys.
Where did you get them from? Marks and Spencer's, where were we?
Marks and Spencer's, then, weren't they? Yeah.
Love Marks and Spencer's food.
We've got a bit of salad, some yoghurt dressing, garlic and lemon dressing to go with the salad. Then we'll make some little pockets up if you actually need them. Not sure if we need rice yet because we've got a lot of food again. Oh, mate. You don't get much better than this, guys, does it? Hey? There's a van lock. Carrots drying off. Wetsuit's drying out. And that's our view for tonight, guys. Can't beat it. Good, Luli. It's looking good, Luli. Looking good. So we had a change of plan, guys.
Then because we saw how much food there was.
We did have a peak amount of food. So we decided to do this as tea with the salad and the wraps. And then the large chicken kebabs. We're going to cook off anyway because they need to be cooked off. But then on the way home, we'll just grab some salad wraps. And we could just pull that and make some chicken salad wraps while we're driving. But look at mine. They're same, but mine's all like slapped in. Lulu's golden it now.
I'm surprised you're not eating it.
I'm getting on it. I'm starving. So the fire brigade's just come round, which I think is a really good thing, because obviously we've had such dry, good couple of days. Everything's so dry. and he's walked around because there's signs everywhere saying no fires, gas barbecues only, which we've got. So was it 3 or 4 of them? 3 or 4 of them just walked around, and they had like backpacks on, water sprayers, and there's been loads that's camping on the beach and got you know, proper fire pits going.
They weren't rude to them either, they weren't.
No, just sprayed them, explained to them what's what, and you know, doused them out, which I think is really good. So we're just chilling. We've had us food. It was awesome.
Oh, I'm really full now.
The chicken for tomorrow is cooking away nicely. Look at that. We're just going to relax, guys, right at the side of the loch. Probably for what, another half an hour? Probably another half an hour.
Coffee, biscuits.
Finish this glass. Well, I've got a beer and a glass of wine. I'm going to finish this, and then we're going to get in the van. Cup of coffee.
Biscuits.
A few biscuits.
Warm biscuits.
And what an end to an epic day. And we're just going to chill out and relax and have some quality time. That's not Netflix and chill, guys, because there's no signal. I can't get telly on. And I blew fuse to telly. Such a shame. Some rubbish, just me. Such a shame, guys. What a spot. And just litter beer bottles everywhere. It's just a joke. I don't know. Such a shame that is, isn't it? It's quite, you know, loads have been camping on there, yeah, which is great. You're enjoying the surroundings, but I hate to see that. And it's such, it just breaks me, man. So me and Luann's just packed up. We're ready for off-ski, but I think we're going to grab a bin liner and we're just going to blast down this beach and just grab what we can. Just because we've enjoyed it so much. I shouldn't have to clear up over everybody else, we know that. But we've enjoyed it here, so it's our way of giving back. So we're just going to blitz that. Then a few bits up along this stretch. Just down there. It's the least we can do. Remember, guys, if you're coming out, adventures, and enjoying the surroundings, leave only footprints. It's the best way. And if you can help out and pick a few things up there, we shouldn't have to, but if we all do it, it just helps make places like this just last that a little bit longer for everybody else to enjoy. See you guys in a minute. Hi guys, so we're on the road. Long road trip back, but we've just come across the Tissot shop that we bought the paddle boards from, so we're going to nip in here quickly because obviously they came missing the lanyard safety leash for your feet, and Lulu's also looked online. The kit that we bought should have come with a mobile phone thing as well, so we might as well nip in here, grab them, and then we've got them for next time. Yeah, boy. Every time you want to start vlogging, sat nav always kicks in. Douche. Sorted. Tissot, thank you very much. They pulled them out to check all the kit because apparently they've had problems with some of these boards, an early batch of them, with the fins, with the moulding on the back of the board, the fins not sliding in correctly. So because we wanted to use them straight away, the guy in the shop had got them out, tried the fin, all good to go. They've been left on the side, so they gave us some of them and some free phone cases, so good to go. So I'm going to nip to Marks and Spencer's, get a few wraps, salad, and some drinks, because we're going to eat that chicken we cooked on the beach last night. Yeah, and then we're going to get on his way because we've still got another 5.5 hours from here. Oops. So see you guys in a minute. supplies check. I'm looking forward to these chicken wraps. Oh yeah. And back on the road. Yes, Lule. Look at them beauties. That chicken looks nice from the last night, Lule. Yeah, boy. A bit of salad, a bit of green shit. Oh yeah. What's happening, guys? I enjoyed that little vlog. We're currently still on our travels on a Mediterranean cruise. It absolutely killed me last week not having a vlog out, and I didn't want to go 2 weeks without putting an episode out. So I paid for the Wi-Fi on the ship, which cost me, I think, like 20 quid for 24 hours or something like that. Ridiculous. It was so slow. It took like 8 hours to upload this vlog, as short as it is to YouTube. So I hope you like it. So that's the end of that little episode. We just travelled home from there. We enjoyed the chicken wraps on the travels home, and it's a good job we got our safety laces back. So Bruce a bonus. So we'll see you guys as soon as we can when we're back off our jollies and cruising around the Med, and we've got some interesting vlogs for you coming up in the future. So don't forget, guys, if you like our videos, click the link, hit subscribe, leave a comment in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time. Yeah, boy.